Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Saad Ansari, advocate, core member, Jammu Kashmir Joint Awami Action Committee. I would like to address the whole international community, the people of Jammu and Kashmir and the people of Pakistan, especially our overseas Kashmiris. Everybody knows that on 9th of June, when this long march under the Joint Awami Action Committee started from Mirpur Division, and we came here in Direk. We sit in here. The main purpose of sitting, almost our sitting is more than 35 days. The basic purpose, everybody knows that the Pakistani Rangers, the security forces, knocked down all the areas. Curfews has been imposed in every cities of Jammu and Kashmir, and everybody knows that if we move forward, it would be a greater bloodshed in Jammu and Kashmir. So the Jammu and Joint Awami Action Committee stress on his charter of demand, and we sit our peacefully sit in the rake. We didn't move forward. At the same time, the different delegations of different communities like the bar associations, the religious personalities, the media person, the business community, and the political leadership came to us, and they want to mediate between the Jammu and Kashmir Joint Awami Action Committee and the government of Pakistan and AJK. We welcome all the gestures, and we given them our mandate to negotiate on behalf of Jammu and Kashmir Joint Awami Action Committee. We given them 13 points. Our main point is still not addressed yet. If the government is sincere to talk about this chaos in Jammu and Kashmir, it would be very good. But the government should resolve and revoke all the situations and came back to 4th June, and then we can proceed the negotiations. But on 36th day, we believe that the government's will and the government's sincerity is not there. They just want to kill the innocent voices. They just want to kill the freedom of speech. They just want to kill the people of Jammu and Kashmir who demanding their social, political, economic rights. Our charter of demand is clearly indicates that it's under the law, it's under the constitution, it's under all the aspects of the law of the land, the international laws. But